had a bad habit.
So today I'm going to do a little bit of a juice mix just in the blender and then strain it. And I'm going to add the celery. It's kind of my own concoction. It's supposed to be just the lemon plus the water plus the ginger and the honey, which I'm going to use the organic Hawaiian honey. And it's supposed to be some olive oil, but I'm going to use avocado oil instead because I have that. So let's try that now. So we're going to put in, and this is organic lemon from a farm right here on Oahu that I've washed. Oops. Oop, gotta wash that again. And then a big piece of ginger. Put that in there. I'll put some, my little recipe here. I'm going to put that in later. I'm going to put this in first. And then 3 cups of filter here. And blend away. I've got my ginger blender I've washed and sanitized. And here we go. All right, and we're gonna put, there we go. And this is amazing. We're gonna do 1, 2, oh my God. Back on. Don't forget the cinnamon. And then we're going to strain it. Ta-da! Okay, here we are. I'm going to just pulse it a little bit. Everything's in there. And then I'm going to strain it because there's lots of pulp and stuff in there. So that's our next job. And Jen is saying that you can take the pulp and keep it for a bit of a yogurt mix. So that's great. So we're just gonna strain it through here. Look at all that pulp. And that juice looks really good. Can you imagine the antioxidant properties and the anti-inflammation properties for your body? Woo! I'm excited. Thanks, Jen. All right. Let's see how much we get out of here. Well, this was only 4 stalks of celery, 1 lemon, 1 little small thing of ginger, knob of ginger. I will take my little sample jar and I will scoop out a little bit. And I'll put it in here just for a taster. All right, cheers. Oh, that's very good. That's extremely good. Alexa is right. And there we have it. Aloha.